Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the Realme 11 series is coming to India, which consists of Realme 11, 11 Pro, and the 11 Pro Plus. Now, in this video, we'll be consistently talking only about the 11 Pro Plus, and let's find out what you will be getting in this phone alongside with its pricing. Now, if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. So first of all, talking about a display, then the Realme 11 Pro Plus will be coming with a AMOLED display with a 6.7 inch of a screen with a 120Hz of high refresh rate with 1 billion colors, HDR10 plus content support, and a peak brightness of around 950Hz. Now, not only that, this is going to be a full HD plus resolution, so you'll be getting a 1080p display. Also, the processor of this phone is going to be a Mediatek Dimensity 7050, a 6nm processor, which will be doing an in-depth comparison against all of the processors which are available in the price segment around this series. But the internal memory of this phone is going to be of 256GB as a base and 12GB of RAM as a base, which is again a good thing to have. Now, the main cameras are going to be getting an upgraded version, as Realme has been teasing about the camera system of the Pro Plus for a long time now. The phone will be coming with a 200 megapixel of Samsung HP3 sensor ISOCELL, and it's going to be supported with the OIS also, and you will be getting a secondary camera of ultra wide megapixel at 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel of a macro sensor. Now you can shoot 4K at 30 FPS maximum and also with gyro EIS support. Now not only that, you can also shoot videos at 960 FPS, but the quality will be reduced to 720p. Now, the selfie camera of this smartphone is going to be 32 megapixel, and the display is indeed a curved display and AMOLED display, so it's a punctual selfie camera in this phone, and the stereo speaker setup is present in the phone. Now, the charging and the battery capacity of this phone is going to be a 5000 mAh battery and a 100 watt of wired charging support in this phone. Now, the wired charging and the charger will be included in the box itself for a 100 watt of charger, which is again a pro thing to have. Now, in India, the phone is expecting to be launching on 16th of May, which is coming near, and the price of this phone is set to be around 25 to 30,000 rupees in Indian market. Now, what do you think about this smartphone, and are you planning to buy a Realme 11 Pro Plus series, or you are excited for the Realme 11 Pro Plus? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.